Hi, in this video we're going to be calibrating our SL-W-CR crane scale. This crane scale has a wireless remote. So first you want to make sure your crane scale is on. Right now it's on, and you're going to want to turn on your remote. So you're going to press and turn that on. Perfect. Once it's on, you're going to want to press debug, and then 6 times, and then press enter. Here on Cal 1, you're going to be setting parameters. You're going to press enter. D stands for divisions, so the increments that it's going to be counting in. So it's going to be counting in 1. DC is decimal points. We can set this to 1, 0, 2. We're going to put it to 0 and then press enter. Here is the capacity. This crane scale we're working with is set to 6,000, so we're going to put 6,000 and then press enter. And these are all filters. You can look in your manual and see what they mean and change them if you'd like, but I don't recommend changing them. After that, to calibrate with the weight, you're going to press debug again for 6/8, push enter, and then you're going to change Cal 1 to Cal 2 by pushing 2, and then press enter. Here is going to take your 0 reading, so you want to make sure there's nothing on the scale. I'm leaving the chain on there just so it counts it as the scale. And then you're going to press enter. And then here's when you want to load it. So right now this weight we have on here is 500 kg. You have to calibrate in kg, so if you're working with pounds, please convert it. So we're going to load it and put it on the scale. 500 kg. And you're going to want to make sure it's steady. Okay, so now that we put the weight on there, it's going to show us numbers. Whatever numbers it is, as long as it's steady, you should be good. So once it stops moving, you're going to press enter. And then here is when you type in the weight that you put onto the scale. So we just put 500 kg. Remember, you have to put it in kg form or else it won't work properly. So after you put in kg and you enter it in, you're going to press enter. And there you go. So this is showing right now 500 kg. If I press 3, it will change it to pounds. So right now it's rounding up. 500 kg is 1102 point, I believe, 6 or something like that. So this is rounding up to 1103. But if I hit 3 again, so it's 500 kg. Alrighty, thank you very much.